Big up Crosses TV.
Yeah,
Crosses
my son
TV. That
crosses.
bad.
Me I
All
tell
right.
ya.
Prison what she have for. Munchie your pussy have the little boy for 2 weeks. And your pussy kidnap the boy in prison. Munchie you set up your pussy, you set up the boy in prison with your pussy. You go fuck calling
One me a
data.
pass little for put it.
Yeah, pause it. I'm tell the people them up me a update Munchie Munchie good as Munchie bad as we are update you Munchie.
Oko,
Remember you fuck up a
Oko,
call.
and Puppy Tail
That
can't
me
see the live.
I do that me I look feet right now. Me I talk and I look feet. I can show you. Look, I'm talking to
Munchie,
you
if I want
feet.
chat
Look.
Antoinette, me supposed to chat her. If I want chat Puppy Tail, me supposed to chat them car. Me
I never like you. Munchie
you
have a serious
here.
blood clot problem. Nasty
Oh,
Munchie.
yeah, go come talk. But me chat anybody when me want chat car my mouth. False teeth and pussy no barrow. I remember it's false teeth me avid. Oh, how it go?
Munchie life sad na blood
Yes,
clot.
Crosby Stevie and the dirty girl. The dirty girl are coming right up again. Look
Crosses
there. She right
TV.
this
Catch
morning.
this and beat this. Crosses TV. Catch
Yeah,
this.
she right up now
Listen,
about
Puss.
big pussies. Big, me even matter. Big pussy puss.
Out of order.
That means that
Wait, let me
she a
pull
take
the
the
person.
piss. Munchie can't call me pussy. My pussy big and comfortable no blood clot, Munchie. Me say me pussy have the grip and the grip and the vim and the vam and the blood clot vitality. Me say me pussy have the stick me see me no
Blood
blood clot. Mother
clot.
why? Good pussy girl forget things. I mean that. You hear me? Outside, sir.
Munchie when puss hear me that rub you and a cuss you about calling that a puss sorry for your no blood clot. Puss wonder how could it know your business so. Nasty Munchie you fuck off a calling that and the man eating a blood
We are
clot your
bright
pussy
up like
boy
you
in
take the
prison.
piece. Because you do it already, I'm allow you. You come back or come right. I'm sending the request to your screen. I come right up about big pussy. Big pussy, big stinking AIDS victim blood clot. Hey, I told them you're going to drop out her blood clot AIDS result. Pam pam pana, like and blood clot, share this.
Right, that's the me I find
Outside,
oh me can't see puppy tail.
thinking dirty girl I come talk about. Like say she have secret for me. Oh, big stinking pussy woman, you can't show no word for me. Dirty stinking, rotten that and blood clot girl, your pussy a leak. And the people in baby pick the party. Me not drop word for nobody when me a chat. Me not chat out direct, me chat indirect. If me a chat a girl, me not afraid of a girl I go know of them me a talk. Bitch. Anything me a chat about a girl, you ask me, yeah, you me a talk. So if you know me a throw, they have a blood clot, come here, write up my name. Stinking pussy blood clot, girl, your pussy a sneeze. Eh? Where your pussy go?
That's why my auntie but say that's why my auntie Debbie chuck her in her blood clot face in front of Michibu. Give her one chuck in her face for me. Debbie say this hook me.
And me have a blood
Debbie lick
clot,
off
they
her
do.
blood clot
Last
face.
week, Debbie, remember me call Debbie, Uku and make Debbie say,
Yeah,
leave her.
yeah. Debbie lick off your face,
And
Munchie. Let's talk
me
about
tell
that.
Debbie last week when Debbie
And we're
called me,
gonna
I
play
said,
the
Pussy,
video
I
how
got
you
big.
not
That girl, me,
cry.
I said, Debbie, please leave her. She said, Pussy, I show me respect. And me beg Debbie leave this dirty, stinking, AIDS body blood clot, crying like a dog, no blood clot, favor jankro without feather. I come, you know, under my pussy, blood clot, labor right. You know, so me open up like downtown. Eh? The only thing me not free like blood clot,
Clot
Valley.
Tivoli. Yeah, where she come
Stinking
from.
pussy girl.
Nasty Munchie.
With your bright blood clot, I come. Karen, should we eat already? I'm avoid because see this somebody send it to me at the end of car. Them go see it over Juju, you know. And my friends, we from America see it, you know, and call me and say, Puss, oh, you never see somebody tell me that Munchie at this Puss, and she send it to me Friday, Saturday. And I said to her, I said, Chow, me not pay that no mind. See it there again. When I tell it, me not pay that. She say, what a old Munchie I did a rub your post. Me say, when? She said, she said, listening to it, them I rub you. Me say, all right. Me blood clot this morning at this she buck up on. What are we? You and she have nothing to do and she a rub you. A joke, Yaki, man. You get to it one and I get to it twice. 3 times it could have been a lady.
Puss, you always a saver.
Out hard and I come call me name. Out harder.
Puss, but to man, Munchie can't size up your hole. Cause one man you ever take on a do gay. Different from mad user.
And I come talk about mine,
Man,
man.
no,
When the
she's a
blood
fucking
clot, man, what kind of man? Eh? Food for the blood clot for the madman, mad like a dog. But walk out the blood clot where we call mad. Get him some Primark and H&M. You ever see him in a Gucci and Scoochie? You ever see the blood clot, man? Like how you win a bingo 20,000, you buying all right in a man. You pay for man, fuck you.
Nah, the Munchie, you pay for look boy fuck you. Munchie a 100 and add. And the look boy
Outside,
a 20.
people come call and that because she do it already. Outside, man. Me give a chance and me go about me business and I come talk about oh, next time show me that big stinking. God.
Puss, you get
I
kicked
don't come
off.
to the baby them. Because
Yeah.
judgment
Mother,
tonight.
yeah, mother not come for the good as baby. Mother not judgment tonight.
About
Judgment for
a
rotten
big
that
stinking
Munchie.
pussy puss.
Munchie
You
that
can't show a word
remember
for
like
me.
for a long
Oh,
time.
hungry woman, Munchie. Oh, you fi come call me hungry Munchie. And if I don't teeth, your teeth like a food, you not eat food. Eh?
Rotten that.
When
Rotten
you
that.
spend £5 and come in and swipe
Cassandra
everything.
Lewis. Cassandra Lewis, you pussy rotten that. Rotten that where Cody say you pussy rotten that. Your baby father, your first baby father.
Me not even want to wake up my nice clean grad, put them through that careless nothing, girl. But them go and go to them bed soon.
Munchie,
Yes,
they be kick
same.
off your
I
blood
come
clot
talk
face.
of big pussy, with our bright self. And your pussy because you cannot keep a man in your hole. When man drop down in your hole, all 10 man drop down in there, everybody a buck up, everybody a buck up, and know them not find them when you're out.
Well, I'll know me can't find puppy tail on this.
Tough, come put the baby around there, so. Because I don't want them hear me argue. Me have to pick my words.
Ratney Datney Cassandra Lewis. We go Jamaica
Oh,
the other day.
my man, oh man.
Post, remember the Ratney Datney girl, no Cassandra Lewis, where she fuck the man, the big belly man in the mango tree of Jamaica, the big belly man, Dakar. Ratney Datney blood clot Cassandra Kelly.
Oh,
Go
my
all the
man,
way to
don't
Jamaica.
man, never mind a man yet. Never mind a man yet. The first time he take a man, is a mad out him blood clot and walk off, he kill him. You ain't come talk on the 10 man walking around him ball. Walk. You know, you out there ball be hungry. Me no mind man a blood cleat. Drink a little star and I'm a blood clot foot. When me open it and boy come in and them say, why they just a shine bright like a diamond no blood clot. Where I say? Where I say? Eh? Remember say you broke Maureen house Steve Munchie. Remember say you broke your own friend Maureen house because she get her partner money Munchie. Remember you broke Maureen house, people to tag Maureen over here, so tag my cousin Debbie Diamond over here, so. Remember you broke Maureen house and go in there and Maureen get her partner draw. And you're searching Maureen money, your thief her 500 pounds and her scarf and her tight suit and her bag. Munchie, we are talking like you're smarty, but you're that girl. You're that fucking. You got Jamaica one day to blood clot and now your sister not talk. Your sister say come on down there. Hungry like a dog. You don't bring nothing for your mama. Your mama is a prostitute before you left Jamaica and she still is a prostitute. And that's why you come be a blood clot prostitute.
I have the ear in a stinking hole. Or that's all you're there. Me I look for it.
Me no want no friend from no girl out here. We are going to come your class, me pussy what there. And me lower Yamabella. And she come back again. Tell me if that girl in a bright and I come talk about. She gonna come bring me down. Bitch, who you can't bring down?
Right now that the Munchie can't talk to my good as
Who
auntie.
you
Right now
can't
that the
bring
Munchie will
down?
never
Bring me
heard
down
about
for
you.
what?
Right
Any
now
girl
that the
chat out
Munchie,
here, me can chat them.
but pushing if you can defend the fight when my auntie Debbie Diamond choke on her blood clot face in front of me right in the dance and she have heart attack. I should have heart attack, excitement, proximate, digziment, Munchie
I'm
feel
tired.
the liquid Debbie.
And I come back,
Debbie
hey
choke
girl,
off
come
your
back, you
blood
can't tie
clot
me.
face.
Don't blood clot, do that dirty stinking. Drunk girl will fly and follow you. Flyer follow your pussy and a flyer. The last time you got puppy tail, that a lie. Party. And me have to call puppy tail and tell her to lock up and then you put under your leak. And you dip on the blood clot camera. And me could have cussed you when me a cuss you and tell you, can you a leak. Anyway you go, you stink fly follow you. Puppy have to spray out her house and anchor them and the marine. That's why marine when you come in her house come teeth out her things because when you leave she have to fly you out. Spray you out. Me not commit no saint when I pass. As big as it is, me smell nice the blood clot, my mouth fresh, everything fresh about me.
And
So
Puss,
I can't
your name no call upon that disease. Your name call upon one man at a time.
out there
Munchie,
come
come
talk
here,
about big
ya.
pussy woman. Stinking girl, can you do it already? I mean, I say nothing now. Stinking girl.
Don't,
Yeah, come be.
don't worry
Oh,
if I have the video where they be choke off our blood clot
but
face.
remember,
You forgot
you
defend
have
that.
my file. Niambati blood clot, girl. You niambati one, me not niambati one. Your niam crutches one, me not niam crutches one.
Munchie, Munchie, we gonna get sleepless blood clot night. Remember, me never like your bitch. Remember, me never like you. Me like look a bit of internet, but me never like you. I want my internet, me like internet a little bit. Me never like your blood clot, Munchie. Right now that the Munchie, my auntie, I burn your blood clot done. Right now that the auntie, right now that the Cassandra Kelly, we cut the class out your all, your two baby father 8-year-old. You send the little boy your blood clot, prison, you fuck calling data, X-man, and you pick up calling data X-man. You know, have no pussy principle. All 40-year-old dirty woman, the boy at 20, you fuck the blood clot, you. Munchie, you not have no good pussy, your
Boy, you
pussy
come out
bad the blood
come chat
clot.
shit, bro.
So could
Eh?
Munchie well
When
lucky
you see
shooting
people
cocky in
avoid
your
you,
mouth.
you come go and say you have
Munchie
secret.
lucky
You
shooting
don't think
cocky in
let
your
me
mouth
tell you
around
what
the
piss me
corner.
off.
Nasty Munchie.
Oh,
Like and she
oh,
can't send the blood clot. Did you have to cross this
hungry woman.
Cassandra Kelly we can't
Stinking
lock up
dirty
our
girl, you
blood
ever
clot
feed me
leg.
yet? Stinking
Nasty
drunk up
Cassandra Kelly
barrow blood
can't lock up
clot
our
girl. You
leg.
ever feed me yet, dirty girl? Where you borrow for everybody in a Birmingham? You ever blood clot feed me yet? When me hungry, me keep me hungry to myself. Sardine and rice, tin mackerel and rice. Eh? Big pussy blood clot, worm out pussy blood clot, girl. Your pussy come like a hydrant to blood clot. Dirty stinking girl, I come talk about. Oh, me have your file. Go suck your mother. Hey, girl, any file you have for me, come reel out that blood clot. And don't take it long for reel out the file for me thinking, girl. Any file you have for me, drop out that blood clot. Don't keep no secret for me. Come in now, keep nothing for no girl. Stinking pussy AIDS victim. AIDS are about your pussy dirty girl. What kind of secret you have for me, John, bro? You're going to get name blood clot, tough, all your Madonna. If my pussy stink, I'm a pity them know. If my mouth stink, me make them smell my mouth before me come out. Thinking girl. You come right up about Big pussy puss. Eh? Oh, you know me puss, where your blood clot mouth and one of me pussy. Eh? Because your mouth big. So you expect me pussy for big. No, dirty girl. Stinking, dirty roadside. Dirty, stinking girl. Where you go down to Jamaica, know your sister and your vex. Because your sister say you not bring $1 for her. You not bring nothing for her. And you come down there, she have to buy your food, lunch, and blood clot and pay a taxi fare. Stinking girl. Where till my grand pitney them gone?
Murder! My honest, my careless.
Oh.
Murder!
Bright. With a stinking
Bright,
self.
bright, y'all.
Your
Bright,
little
bright.
blood clot
What blood
mix up
clot you
self.
not tell Puss for stop? Puss for stop what?
Nobody not tell me
Continue
to stop,
blood
cause
clot.
me
Stop
nah stop,
what?
me just ready.
Puss,
Never tell her say
continue blood clot.
we
Won't
never tell
stop. Stop.
her say when
We
she
drop
come
that
put up a big
clot.
pussy.
Yeah.
Eh?
She
I
do
come
that
right
thing.
up the name. Yeah, you can call my pussy big. Eh? Me have my pussy sit on for me for 14 blood clot here till a madman give me a little pussy. And my pussy sit down quiet and comfortable right now in attack. Virgin. Right now, blood clots. How tired am I of your thinking self? I like a stinking dirty girl there get bright with. Eh? Like a stinking dirty fuck box. Eh? How that little blood clot mash up crackers pussy girl there smell like blood clot raw fish. I want a blood clot Carleen mattress. Stinking girl. You do it more than one blood clot time, I'm allow you. Any girl this me I diss them back. Same like how I have the power, I have the heart. I'm soon do it 1 time, 2 times. I'm soon want to continue me I got this out on a blood clot.
Cassandra Kelly, you should have know say me a jumping I. We are bring down your blood clot. Me first never like your girl. Me gonna give you sleepless night, girl.
When you're
Cassandra
bright self, yeah,
Kelly.
distract the blood clot war. You know, see a big war going out the road. You come with your thinking pussy. Come. Enough of your thinking self in a war. And I come talk about big pussy. You do it for the I'm alone. You come back and come right about big pussy puss. Then I call me blood clot name. The grandkids them go and guard them yard soon. Don't worry yourself. Cause I go and give you 24 hours straight. Blood clot. It's out there, man. When you're bright, I come talk about you have files. Thinking girl, dash out me blood clot file. No keep no secret for me. And about hungry belly, stinking pussy girl. Me can't blood clot hungry. Me hand them belly from me mama. Me can't hungry me pussy not done. Are you always around a beg? So are you blood? Are you always walk all about Birmingham, London, everywhere in a borrow people things? Borrow clothes, borrow this, borrow blood clot that. I've got me a wake up with beer. Tough rock her back. Stinking girl, I will get you another deal. Baby, Allah. You there, them a wake. Tough rock her around the so. Cross this girl, watch man. The baby, them a wake.
Munchie, you lucky the blood clot. Baby, them save your life tonight, you know. That way I tell you. When the baby them gonna sleep, we're gonna give you sleepless night. Nasty Munchie. My auntie Debbie choke off your face, Munchie. Defend it, blood clot. But you're gonna put out Debbie video where she get kicked done. Eh? But you're gonna put out video where Debbie get kicked done. Munchie go put out your all at the HIV you and clamp it up.
Bring her come. Tough bring the baby come and turn on the AC.
You're
Bring her come, tough. Sure, the baby them wake up, man. Sure. You can't cry, baby cry.
Baga, come off of this no blood clot. I say bring down
Cry,
baga.
baby.
I want to see a baga. Baga, when Dana bring down your blood clot, bigger than a baga. Next put angle blood clot can go. Munchie out Savada baga. Baga no feel sorry for nobody in the car when Dana bring down your head in a baga.
No, baga, she out harder. She do it what they on the bed fear. And she come back now, I come talk about big pussy. Come on.
Yo, baga, just stay in your blood clot driving seat and put it up on YouTube. Munchie get this
Out
by
harder, man. When people
yeah,
go
baga, work
a little Indian, on the believe so, on can't come out. Hey, girl, no girl out and have the file.
I
No
got your
girl.
blood clot secret. Yeah.
No girl no out and have no file for me. Cause me hungry, me know if I go in a store and take out my rice with chicken on my aisle. Me know if I take out the chicken and put it on my panty.
I put it underneath your arm. Yeah.
Me know if I get my food.
Bright now blood clot. Munchie, Puss, remember say Munchie fuck the man at Jamaica, the man doctor and the girl man beat out her blood clot before she come to England, you know. And then put it over Juju British, you know. And she come back,
You
she go
come
fuck
like say a judgment you want.
the
A
Munchie we have the
judgment. You want
ticket.
all of the judgment by you. You want all of the smoke. Paranoid, mad. Go take your medication, man. Inking girl, go take your medication. And bring back Maureen money where your thief out. She broke Maureen house and she and Maureen a friend.
Yeah,
No make me roll out your friend, because remember say the Birmingham people them hate you.
yeah,
Hate you like
yeah,
a dog.
yeah, there.
The Birmingham people, they make sure me see the message. They make sure them anything you say or do. Anything you do and say, because them say, no, why Puss or send it. The way you defend our war. The way you defend our war. Like a yearn.
No, sir, you know defend our war where they big chuck her face up with front of her.
Yeah, last week, who could have me a fair beg Debbie?
Yeah. Debbie chuck, as Debbie see her at the party, Debbie say this my niece Oko. Debbie just chuck her off her blood clot face. Bitch, you boy the whole people them see the video and she come on the live. But she bring down Debbie.
No, Miss Sim. This put in 2 days this go Sim.
That's the Munchie got defend the war.
Sim, this is
Nasty
fresh.
Munchie friend
This is
Debbie
fresh
Diamond.
news go up to the Sim. This is fresh Sim. Madonna, take a pic of them, please, and thanks, Sim. Mommy, come.
Munchie the girl them 80 ya Birmingham. Yeah, Birmingham toilet paper, Cassandra Lewis.
Sim, this put in 2 yes, today this put in Sim. Today. Because if this was up there Saturday, you see me show you. Madonna, see me cry for you. Madonna, come and love you. All right, baby. Madonna, come. Come. Kiss Grandma. Come. Madonna, come for them. I want them here nice.
Transformers. No. My mom's gonna change them. Like,
yeah, now we just change them nappy.
No.
Them I got in bed.
No, I mean like.
When I go to park.
You never see Candy?
Well, you can carry it for them.
Yeah.
You can carry the 2 of them. Go on.
Go on my handle.
Munchie is a beating stick. The girl them Munchie when you come, the girl them say for what your armpit.
Tim, this never go up. This go up today.
You never see Candy.
This go up today, Sim. Listen, you hear me tell you this Saturday. Saturday, somebody from Birmingham, America send me this, and then somebody from Birmingham send me, yeah? Hold on, let me see. I mean, I the people, I them ID, because they say I them ID.
I mean, send it to your man, stop telling lies.
No, you send me too, but me I say, them send me this, yeah? Them send me this something. Remember, say me never watch the Juju something from she class with Pan Juju, and I'll know me not watch it, you know. This when she class me about Juju, you know. See, eh? I'll know them send it to me, you know. I'm said to the person, say, the person right and said it, he say, hold on.
Okay, YouTube. Hey, Bago, come on for this, Thomas. So wait there. Post you still upon it. Lord Clad, Cassandra. Cassandra, you forgot to defend the fight to my auntie. As my auntie said that the dance, my auntie spirit. Take her, my auntie drinking in your face for me. I said them is joke Munchie in our face. Munchie couldn't sleep. Nasty Munchie. Why you never send him to the blogger? Why you never Mr. Munchie you can't see him around here? Oh it go. Oh it go. Oh it go. Oh it go. Munchie you out of order but my auntie hungry. Nothing about me so. But big pussy. Munchie what a way no pussy big. And you're a baby father, you're two baby fathers, so your pussy cloddy, your pussy muddy. Eh? Big pussy Munchie. Cassandra Kelly will go fuck the man at Jamaica and the man girl beat up your blood clot and run you down. Eh? Let's tell the media that Munchie.
Who couldn't figure
Eh?
spun a spliff and got rocks bed?
Karen, where
Go
you want
take
to
a
go
lamp
for your blood clot
sleep.
for? Nobody come over here, you know, Karen. You want for your over.
Add her up, yeah.